Hey, this is Dad Random, and yes, it finally arrived. This is the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Um, why did I buy this? Well, like all of you, I'm kind of a drone fanatic, so let's go ahead and get this sucker open. And we're going to have a little bit of fun because this thing over here needs a friend. And remember, this is a Sith Lord over here. This is an apprentice. So we're going to open up the apprentice and we're going to get it flying ASAP. So let's check it out. Let's go ahead and time to break plastic. Now I have not had, oops, get some plastic over here. I have not had any time to watch any lengthy videos. I've kept pretty much in the dark as much as I can about this drone. So everything I learn about it should be fresh. Let's go ahead. I mean, obvious pictures of it that I've seen. So these guys have done some crazy packaging. Look at that. It's just nuts. Look at that. Guys, the inside of this is like a soft kind of velvet. Oh my gosh. Oh, these guys are nuts. How do you beat the evil empire? You know, how do you how does Autel defeat the evil empire? I just don't know how they're going to do it. But here it is. Here's the case. Nice. This is like kind of a leatherette, fake leather. Here's a box. Let's see. It's labeled. It says labeled props and documentation. Put that up there. We'll go ahead and open this puppy up. So I have a 64 bit card that I'm going to use for this. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. How that's packaged. Oh, guys, that is just killer. These guys just know how to give you the wow factor. Look at that. It right away, it feels like a mini Mavic. I mean, exactly what you expect a mini Mavic to feel like. Just a little bit more hefty than the Mavic Mini. I mean, it's just a mini version. You know, if you just look at it, it's probably a smash down or a squash down Mavic 1 with a whole lot of high tech, circuitry. I mean, this thing is obviously the top of the line. So get the stickers off there. All right, there it is. They're just like the Mavic 1 flight batteries. Now with the batteries out, you can definitely feel the lightness. This thing is not heavy at all. Let's check the gimbal guard. I always like to check to see how that, there we go, get the plastic here, and there's the, don't you love that? This is my favorite part. Bam! Take that off right there. Release the gimbal. I always want to look at the camera. Wow, that thing is just, look at that. Look at all these little pieces of plastic. I always wonder, who takes the time to put those all on there? Oh man, I want to be in the factory. I want to be the guy that puts these little pieces of plastic on. I can imagine you could probably get a. So this does come with filters, I believe. I wonder if you could fit the Mavic Mini filters on there. Not that I would put them on. This one is supposed to come with its own filters. Oh, God, there's so much plastic, guys. Holy crap. So many stickers. Stickers everywhere. These stickers off. I'll just take these off. I'm not going to throw the props on. But I just want to feel that. Look at that camera. Let's see, does it have any? I don't see any plastic on that. But, wow, that is in there nice. Let's go ahead and put that gimbal guard on. Just like the Mavic 2. There we go. Let's set that down. See what else we got in there. That's fun. Fun, fun, fun. Let's see what else we got in there. This is probably the charging base. So we're going to get this thing charging up. Here's the controller. A lot of people complaining about it. It's definitely a mini version of the smart controller. You can already see that it's not full size. So I see a lot of people were making comments. At least the ones that I did watch. People were complaining. I've seen on their thumbnails. Guys, it's new tech, man. It's going to be different. Stop your whining. There's your thumbsticks, USB-C. I love that. I love that button right there. Bam, you got sport, tripod, and normal right there. Bam. We've got a camera button. That's bam. It's right up top. That's a flip. I have no idea. That's a what is it? It's a flip control. I'll have to check that out. No, camera button's where it's supposed to be. Gimbal control. Just trying to figure out why people, I don't know, it feels like a little bit too small, I guess. I don't know. Oh man, all right. Well, that's cool. Well, there's the phone connect. That is sweet. All right, let's put that down. So we've got controller. And let's see what we got in here. Got some gratuitous silica gel packs. Get those puppies out of there. Alright, so we don't eat them. I know I'm always thinking about eating those. And this must be the accessories. The accessories. The always well packaged up. There's your battery charger. I'm going to definitely get my battery charging right now. I'm actually going to get that puppy on the charger like now, guys, because it's time. It's time. We don't mess around. Dad Random, he don't mess around, man. And let's get that. I almost got the shakes. Almost got the drone shakes. If you know what those are like. There we go. So we'll get that puppy. I'm gonna get that charging right now. So you're gonna watch me live charge. Bam! Get that out of here. That's freaking pretty cool. The battery has a new little charging ring. This is probably extra batteries. Yes. Extra battery 1. And let's see if it'll give me a lighting show here. Not yet. So this one needs to go through its little charging dance. We'll get that puppy on there in a little bit. And here's battery number 3. I have never used 3 batteries in the history of my drone life, even with the Mavic Mini. But we got 3 batteries. Guys, that's insane amounts of charge time. Insane amounts of. Let me go bring this all back. So here is the Fly More combo, all unboxed, right there, and the bag. There it is, and it's small. Okay, it's about the size of the mini case, so it's about the same size. So transport wise, you're getting about the same compact size as the Mavic Mini case. And this, let me go ahead and open this up. This is the little charging brick, so you can charge up multiple batteries, I believe. Yeah, there it is. God, what did it take to put that together? I mean, it's so simple. I mean, it's just simple little solution for multiple battery charging. Just drop those puppies right on top and away you go. Let's see, they charge on that way. I just want to see which direction they go. This is when this is right like that. That would make sense. Just like that. So they just set right on there, just like that. All right. I seem calm, guys, but I'm really not. I definitely have the new drone sickness going through my body at this point in time. But we'll get all these puppies charged up. Yeah. Hey, why not? What's an unboxing without the last box, the props? There they are. There's the prop bag. Let's get those really quick. I don't think I need to open anything else. This is probably cabling. More props. So it looks like we have 2 full sets of props. I have not found any cabling yet. I've got cabling for my Mini, so I could always use that. Let's see what kind of cable we need here. Like I said, I haven't paid attention to any of those. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's right. This one has the cable right in the box. Yeah, guys, that is insanely cool. You know, you're like, where's the cable? And it's already where it's supposed to be, right where you hook it up to the phone. My Lord, guys. People are all calm and relaxed when they're talking about this thing, but I'm already in the insane factor. So for Dad Random and the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo, guys, I just do not know how it keeps getting better. I really don't. I really have no clue. But it does. And you know, and this is, you know, just to try to give this its own world. I love this drone, and I'm going to love this drone equally. So let's. I know this is going to fly like a champ. So I'm ready to throw it in the air. I'm definitely going to throw it. This puppy is not going to launch from the dirt in its entire life. It is going bam up in the air. Yes, Dad Random for the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Yes. Later and bye.
Come to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your training. With our combined strength, we can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy.